Today we are going to learn about matrix and determinant. Already we finished exercise 1.6. So now we will be able to exercise 1.7. So already I thought the three conditions. Rank of A comma B not equal to rank of A. This solution is inconsistent, has no solution. The second one, rank of A comma B equal to rank of A equal to n, consistent and has unique solution. The third one, rank of A comma B equal to rank of A less than n. So this condition is consistent and has infinitely many solutions. This n noted by unknown values for the question. So today, first question, solve the following system of homogeneous equation. Solve the following system of homogeneous equation. If you see the questions, the homogeneous is noted there. We should use these three conditions. Okay. So these are questions. First of all, we write Ax equal to B method form. So this is coefficient of x, y, z values. So this one x, y, z capital X equal to, this is right hand side value 0, 0, 0 B. Okay, Ax equal to B form. Then row elementary operation on augmented matrix. Augmented matrix meaning we should write the A matrix and B matrix together here. Okay, so 3, 2, 7, 0. 4 minus 3 minus 2, 0. 5, 9, 23, 0. Then using echelon form also. So what is echelon form? The echelon form, already we know that echelon form, the first place is 1, the second place is 0, the third place also 0. This place form a triangle form of 0. Then here other values. Okay, so this format is called row echelon form. So here also we should change this form. Okay, so here 3 is here. If we divided by 3, this place become 1. If we divided this place 3, it place the first row 1 become 1, the first place 1. So R1 divided by 3. I write a condition here, R1 divided by 3. 3 by 3, 1. 2 by 3, 7 by 3, 0. The other two, row 2 and row 3, write the same values here. Okay. So the next matrix, this place 1 to 0, this place 1 to 0. So see the condition here. I write here R2. This R2 noted by this matrix. This R2 and this R1 noted by previous matrix. So R2 value 4 minus 3 minus 2 0. 4 minus 3 minus 2 0. Minus 4 R1. Minus 4 R1. So R1 is, this is fully R1. Minus 4. 1 into minus 4, minus 4. 2 by 3 into minus 4, minus 8 by 3. 7 by 3 into minus 4, 20 minus 28 by 3. 0 into minus 4, 0. If you add these two parts, we get 0. This place minus 3, minus 3, minus 8 by 3. So minus 3, minus 8 by 3. Take LCM here. 3 into 3 are minus 9. Minus 9 minus 8 minus 17 by 3. So this part minus 2 minus 28 by 3. Minus 3 into 2 are minus 6. Minus 6 minus 28 minus 34 by 3. 0 plus 0, 0. Okay. So R3 condition also want this place 0. Okay. So already we changed this place 1. So if we multiply by 5 in R1, we then subtraction from R3 minus R1, we get a 0 this place. Okay. So condition R3, which implies R3 minus 5 R1. இந்த R3ங்கிற இடத்துல 5 இருக்கிறதால இந்த R1 5 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா இந்த 5 ல இருந்து இந்த 5 எடுத்து மைனஸ் பண்ணோம்னா நமக்கு தேவையான 0 கிடைச்சிரும். அப்ப R3 minus 5 R1. இப்போ நான் R3 எழுதுறேன். இந்த R3 5 9 23 0 எழுதிட்டேன். இப்போ -5 R1. R1 ஃபுல்லாக 5ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுறேன். 5 into 1s are -5. 5 into 2s are -10/3. 7 into 5s are -35/3. 0 into -5s are 0. நம்ம இந்த ரெண்டு இதையும் ஆட் பண்ணுறோன்னா -5 +5 -5 0. இது 9 -10/3. இந்த 3 இந்த 9 மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் 27. 27ல் 10 போனால் 17/3. இந்த பிளேஸில் 23 -35/3. இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பரையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் 69ல் 35 போனால் 34/3 0. இதை எடுத்து இந்த R3க்கு நேராக எழுதிக்கிறோம். R3 plus R2. R3 plus R2, the previous matrix, we get this term fully 0. This term fully 0. So finally we get echelon form of the matrix. So it is echelon form. It is echelon form. And we check the ranks. So A comma B meaning 3/4 matrix. This fully, if we check it, this is A comma B. So the first row 1 value is here, row 2 value is here, row 3 fully 0. So row 1 plus row 2, R1 plus R2. So 2 value is 2. Then rank A. A meaning 3/3 matrix. A 3/3 matrix. So 3/3 meaning again we check 3/3. This rank also 2 only, not 3, 2 only, because R3 value fully 0. So 2. Rank of A comma B equal to rank of A less than n. These two compare with the 3 equations, 3 formulas, less than n only. So less than n, consistent, it has infinitely many solution. Consistent, it has infinitely many solution. So infinitely many solution meaning the unknowns x, y, z unknowns having so many values. Okay, so consistent. First of all, apply x, y, z here. X plus 2/3y plus 7/3 z equal to 0. This is first equation. The second equation, x is 0. The 17 -17/3 is y, -17/3y minus 34/3 z equal to 0. This is second equation. The one equation is missing here because that value fully 0. So we put z equal to k. We put z equal to k. K is a real number part. Real number part. So if we take any real number, apply this place, we get another values. So many values for z. So apply this place, the second one, -17/3 y minus 34/3. This k value, this z value k, apply here equal to 0. Want is y value only. So not k value. K is a constant here. So y value. So this term keep it left hand side equal to, this one goes to right hand side, 34/3k. So equal is here, denominator part to denominator part cancel. The numerator part, this is 1 time, this is 2 time. So minus also is here, minus y equal to 2k. If we multiply the double side by minus, we get y equal to minus 2k. So take the first equation, x plus 2/3, y value minus 2k plus 7/3, k equal to 0. So this value and this value, the two values goes to right hand side. So minus 7/3k, this plus into minus, minus 4/3. This one goes to right hand side, become plus 4/3k. Take the LCM 3. Minus 7 plus 4 minus 3k. 3 cancel. So x value is k. Therefore the solution set is x comma y comma z minus k minus 2k plus k. Thank you, student.